Two memberships, two very different ways to win on DigiFantasy. Let's compare the Fantasy Bundle and the AI Sleep Generator side by side. The Fantasy Bundle costs $59 per month and includes the Optimizer, Fantasy Scores tools, and the Middling tool. This is ideal if you enjoy analyzing stats, comparing lines, and finding edges yourself. The AI Sleep Generator costs $299 per month and is a premium option for people who don't want to do research. It generates sleeps instantly, shows you profit margins, and lets you tail them directly with one click. If you like digging into data, choose the Fantasy Bundle. But if you'd rather skip the research and just play smarter instantly, the AI Sleep Generator is the move. Both plans give you an edge. It just depends on your style. Hit the link in my description, sign up for DigiFantasy, and pick the membership that matches the way you play.